Hello everyone, let us do a small experiment, that is cleaning our old rusted coins using the chemicals available at our home. For this experiment, we need old coins, vinegar and soap solution. Take about 20 ml of vinegar and pour it into the cup. Similarly, prepare soap solution by using surf or soap available at our home. Now place one old coin in each of the cup. Wait for 3 to 4 hours and wipe them with a dry cloth after 4 hours. After 4 hours, you can observe the coin in vinegar solution turned to be bright and shiny than the coin in the soap solution. When the metal in the coins react with oxygen in the air, it creates a dirty and a rusty layer on the coins. When the vinegar comes contacts with the coin, it dissolves the dirty layer around the coin, restoring it brightness and shininess.